Hello and welcome to this video about lily pads, which are mechanical keyboards that you have to assemble yourself. And as you can see, you have multiple options and you can personalize it in a few colors and even add some more add-ons. As you can see, it comes in this beautiful packaging, and from there you can select several colors. And I think it's really interesting form factor because it might be more helpful for your wrists because you're not in an unnatural position where you have to bend your wrists all the time. You can adjust the shape of the keyboard as you want during the day just to relieve tensions from your wrists a little. And it might take some getting used to at first, but overall I think it's a very interesting form factor. They note that you don't need to solder to build it, so it's quite beginner friendly, and they have even a step-by-step photo tutorial, so it's quite similar to assembling something from IKEA. And it also has some sound dampening features, making it interesting if you work in an office. And you can also add some underglow and lighting if you're into that. So overall, I think it's a very interesting form factor. Obviously, it's an investment because it's $373, but it clearly has some unique features that might convince some people to give it a try. So thank you for watching, subscribe for more, and have a great day ahead. Thank you.